Want to lose belly fat but don't know where to start? You're not alone. If you've tried diets, workouts, and still see that stubborn fat, don't give up. This video is made just for beginners. No crazy moves, no equipment, just 10 safe, effective exercises to melt belly fat at home. And the best part? You can do it right now. So let's get started and feel the burn the safe way. Before moving, if you are new to my channel, do not forget to like and subscribe my channel. If you've ever looked in the mirror and felt frustrated with your belly fat, you're not alone. For many of us, it's the most stubborn area and the hardest to lose. But here's the good news: you don't need fancy equipment, extreme diets, or expensive gym memberships to make a real change. You just need the right start, and that's exactly what this video is about. Welcome to your fat burning routine for beginners, where every move is designed with your safety and success in mind. We're not going to jump into intense high-impact workouts that leave you breathless or sore for days. Instead, we'll focus on low-impact, high-effectiveness exercises that target your belly, improve your metabolism, and most importantly, fit your current fitness level. Whether you're just starting your fitness journey or coming back after a break, these 10 exercises will help you build confidence, consistency, and results without risking injury or burnout. Each move in this routine is beginner-friendly, easy to follow, and requires zero equipment. All you need is a little space and a commitment to yourself. And remember, real change doesn't come from punishing your body. It comes from respecting it and giving it the time and care it deserves. So take a deep breath, clear a space around you, and let's do this together. This is your time to burn belly fat the smart and safe way. Let's begin with exercise number 1. Exercise 1. High knees. Let's kick things off with a low-impact high knee march, an ideal warm-up that starts the belly fat burn without stressing your joints. Stand tall, shoulders back, core tight. Begin lifting your right knee toward your chest, then lower it and lift your left knee. Continue marching in place at a steady pace, swinging your arms naturally to engage more muscles. Don't jump or bounce. This is about control and core activation. Keep your belly pulled in and your back upright. Try to bring each knee up to hip height if you can, but if not, just go as high as feels safe and comfortable. Do this for 45 seconds, rest for 15, and repeat 3 rounds. This move is more powerful than it looks. It gets your heart rate up gently, which jumpstarts calorie burn. At the same time, the controlled lifting motion works your lower abs, helping tighten your belly over time. It's also a mental boost. Starting your workout with a movement you can do easily helps build confidence, and that's key for consistency. Don't underestimate these beginner steps. They're the foundation of your fat loss journey. You're telling your body it's time to move, time to change. Let's build on that with another dynamic movement. Exercise 2. Leg raises. Leg raises are a classic lower ab exercise that directly target the lower belly, an area where fat tends to cling the longest. Start by lying flat on your back with your legs extended. Place your hands under your lower back or glutes for support. Engage your core by pulling your belly button toward the floor. Now slowly raise both legs together until they form a 90 degrees angle with your torso, then lower them with control until your feet hover just above the floor. That's 1 rep. Don't let your lower back arch off the mat. If you feel it lifting, don't lower your legs as far down. The goal is to keep your abs under constant tension throughout. Perform 10 to 12 reps, slowly rest 30 seconds, and complete 3 rounds. This movement not only sculpts your abs but strengthens your hip flexors and improves lower body control. And since you're lying flat, it's joint friendly, no pressure on the knees or spine. For beginners, you can bend your knees slightly to make it easier, or raise your legs one at a time. Leg raises teach you to engage your deep core muscles, which are crucial for flattening your stomach. Every lift strengthens the area just below the belly button, the hardest spot to tone. Do this consistently and you'll start feeling stronger, more stable, and leaner around the midsection. Let's follow this up with a more dynamic burner. Exercise 3. Standing side crunches. This move targets your obliques while improving your balance and coordination. It's perfect for trimming the waistline without lying on the floor or doing crunches. Stand tall with your feet shoulder width apart and hands placed gently behind your head. Engage your core. Now lift your right knee toward your right elbow as you crunch your torso sideways. Return to center and repeat on the left side. Focus on controlled movements. This is not about speed. Keep your back straight, your neck neutral, and your elbows wide. Tighten your abs every time your knee and elbow come close. Don't worry if they don't touch. It's about engaging your core, not perfection. Do this for 45 seconds, alternating sides, then rest for 15 seconds. Repeat for 3 rounds. Why it works: standing side crunches challenge your core and improve stability while being gentle on your spine. It's a functional movement that mimics real-life motions, helping you burn belly fat safely. Add a smile while you move. It actually helps relax your muscles and makes your workout feel easier. Let's move into our next fat burning exercise. Exercise 4. Glute bridge march. Let's take it to the floor with a beginner-friendly glute bridge march that targets both your belly and your hips' key zones in fat loss. Lie on your back with your knees bent, feet flat, and arms by your sides. Lift your hips off the floor into a glute bridge. Your body should form a straight line from shoulders to knees. Now the fun begins. Slowly lift your right foot a few inches off the floor. Keep your hips lifted. Lower it back down and lift your left foot. This is your march performed while holding the bridge position. Do 10 to 12 marches, rest 30 seconds, and repeat for 3 sets. This move is excellent because it activates your core, glutes, hamstrings, and stabilizer muscles, all while protecting your spine. It also helps correct posture and reduce lower back stress, which is often a hidden cause of belly bulge. Remember, don't let your hips sag. If they drop during the march, reset your bridge and try again. You may not feel like you're burning fat fast, but you're firing up the deep core muscles that flatten the belly long term. Plus, this movement helps improve pelvic control, a hidden secret to better ab activation. Let's head back up for your next standing burn. Exercise 5, Flutter Kicks. Flutter Kicks are a fat-burning favorite because they activate the entire core and help sculpt the lower belly like few other moves. Lie on your back with both legs extended and your arms either by your sides or under your lower back for extra support. Engage your core by pressing your lower back into the mat. Lift both legs off the ground about 6 inches. Now alternate kicking your legs up and down in a small, quick fluttering motion like you're swimming on your back. Keep the motion controlled and your core tight. Breathe steadily. Inhale through your nose, exhale through your mouth. Perform for 30 to 40 seconds, rest 20 seconds, and repeat for 3 rounds. Make sure your shoulders and head stay relaxed and never let your lower back arch up. Exercise 6, Russian Twists. Russian Twists are a classic core sculpting move that zero in on your obliques, the side muscles of your belly, helping you define your waist and melt away stubborn fat. Start by sitting on the floor or a mat with your knees bent and feet flat. Lean back slightly, keeping your back straight and your core engaged. Clasp your hands together at chest level. Now begin twisting your torso to the right, bringing your hands beside your hip. Then twist to the left side. That's 1 rep. For beginners, it's okay to keep your feet on the floor. Once you build strength, you can raise your feet a few inches for an added challenge. Keep your movements slow and controlled, not jerky. Your eyes should follow your hands to enhance rotation and core activation. Do 10 to 12 reps per side, rest for 30 seconds, and repeat for 3 rounds. This move is incredibly effective at targeting the waistline, reducing love handles, and improving spinal mobility. Plus, since you're seated, it's a joint-safe option that still delivers serious results when done consistently. Make sure you exhale as you twist and inhale through center. Your breath helps control your movement and deepens your core contraction. Want more burn? Hold a small pillow, water bottle, or lightweight object as resistance. But remember, perfect form comes first. With every twist, you're carving out a tighter, leaner waist. Let's keep that momentum going. You're doing amazing. Exercise 7, Plank knee drives. Plank knee drives are an incredible way to combine cardio, core, and coordination in one bodyweight move, all without jumping. Start in a high plank position, hands directly under your shoulders, body in a straight line from head to heels. Engage your core by pulling your belly up and in. Now bring your right knee toward your chest, then return it to plank. Repeat with the left knee. That's 1 rep. Continue alternating knees at a steady, controlled pace, or go slightly faster for a fat-burning cardio challenge. Perform for 30 to 40 seconds, rest for 20, and complete 3 sets. Plank knee drives strengthen your entire core, front, abs, obliques, and even your lower back, while also elevating your heart rate to burn calories. The best part? You're working multiple muscle groups: arms, shoulders, chest, legs, and of course abs. Don't let your hips sag or pike up. Stay flat and stable as if balancing a glass of water on your back. This move builds the kind of functional strength that translates to everyday movement and belly fat loss. For beginners, you can slow down the pace or even perform the movement on an elevated surface to reduce pressure on the wrists and core. This is your core's cardio finisher, and you're almost at the end. One more move to sculpt your belly and seal the deal. Exercise 8, Low impact standing twist. It's time to twist and torch that waistline. Stand tall, feet shoulder width apart, knees soft. Place your hands in front of you like you're holding an invisible ball. Now twist your torso to the right while pivoting your left foot, then twist to the left while pivoting the right foot. This side-to-side motion should be smooth and controlled. As you twist, engage your core muscles. Feel the squeeze in your obliques. You can keep it low and easy or pick up the pace slightly for more cardio effect. Do this for 45 seconds, rest for 15, and repeat 3 rounds. rounds. This movement mimics the action of squeezing water out of a sponge, and that's what it does to your waist. It's great for melting side fat, improving spine mobility, and toning your entire midsection. Plus it's kind of fun, right? Let's bring it down now and finish with 2 more controlled floor exercises. Exercise 9. Modified Dead Bug. Dead Bug is a top-tier move for deep core engagement, but we're doing the beginner version to keep it safe and effective. Lie on your back with knees bent, feet flat, and arms pointing to the ceiling. Tighten your core and slowly extend your right arm back and your left leg forward, keeping both just off the floor. Return to the center and repeat with the other side. Your lower back should stay pressed into the floor at all times. If it arches, reduce your range of motion. Do 10 slow reps per side, rest for 30 seconds, and repeat 3 rounds. This movement targets the deep belly muscles, the same ones responsible for posture, balance, and a flatter stomach. It's more about quality over quantity. The best part? It also improves coordination between your upper and lower body. Your abs are doing the hard work and your fat-burning engine keeps going. Let's finish strong with a relaxing core exercise. Exercise 10. Hollow Body Hold. This is the grand finale, a deceptively simple hold that trains your entire midsection like no other. The Hollow Body Hold builds deep core strength and teaches full body tension, critical for a flat stomach and strong spine. Lie on your back with arms extended overhead and legs straight. Lift your shoulders and arms off the ground as you raise your legs a few inches above the floor. Your lower back should stay pressed firmly into the ground. Your body should resemble a shallow boat or a hollow curve. Hold this position for 15 to 30 seconds to start, rest for 30 seconds, and aim for 3 rounds. Can't hold the full form yet? No problem. Try these beginner modifications. Keep your arms down by your sides, bend your knees into tabletop position, or lift your legs slightly higher for less tension. The key is keeping your lower back on the ground and core braced the entire time. This move trains your transverse abdominis, the deepest abdominal muscle which pulls your waist inward like a corset. The result? A flatter, tighter belly. Though it doesn't look intense, it works every inch of your midsection. The burn will come fast, and it's a sign you're strengthening the muscles that hold your core tight all day. You've just completed the most powerful core sequence in the workout. Take a deep breath, you've earned it. You did it. You just completed a full-body fat-burning routine designed for beginners, focused on safety and centered on real results. Let's be honest, starting a fitness journey is hard. But today, you showed up for yourself. You didn't need a gym. You didn't need fancy gear. You only needed a little space, a little time, and the willingness to take the first step. Every movement you made today brought you closer to a stronger, leaner, more confident version of yourself. And the best part? This is only the beginning. If you commit to this routine just 3 to 4 times per week, you'll start to notice changes not just in your body, but in your energy, mood, and mindset. Fat loss is a journey, and it's the small, consistent wins that create lasting results. So hydrate, stretch, and give yourself credit for showing up. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell, because we're here every step of the way with more beginner-safe workouts to help you shed fat, feel strong, and love the process. And hey, drop a comment below and tell us how you feel after this workout. We'd love to cheer you on. This is your fitness family now. See you in the next video. Until then, stay consistent, stay strong, and keep showing up.